Welcome to today's episode. We're diving into a fascinating tool that could revolutionize how you interact with Markdown documents. If you've ever felt bogged down by complicated regex patterns or been frustrated while trying to filter through lengthy Markdown files, then you're in for a treat. Today we're discussing MDQ, a powerful tool designed to simplify the way we manage Markdown content, much like how JQ simplifies JSON data processing. Let's kick things off with what exactly MDQ is. It aims to provide an intuitive way to zero in on specific parts of a Markdown document. So picture this. You've got a GitHub pull request filled with templates and checklists that need reviewing. Instead of wrestling with messy regex to enforce those checklists, you can seamlessly use MDQ to extract exactly what you need with ease. Now, you might be wondering, how does it work? It's quite user-friendly. For instance, say you have a Markdown file and you want to find all the uncompleted tasks. You would simply pipe content from your file into MDQ using a filter command like so, cat example.md MDQ uncompleted tasks. Voila, you have a concise view of everything that's pending. It's almost like having your very own Markdown assistant. But what about installation? Well, this is where it gets even cooler. You can install MDQ using Cargo or by downloading binaries from the latest release on GitHub. And yes, it's available under some permissive licenses, including Apache 2.0 and MIT. This is super important if you're considering integrating it into your own projects. And let's not skip the security concerns here, because let's face it, they're critical. Since the release and workflow binaries are built on GitHub servers, as long as you trust the source and the code, you should be in the clear. It's reassuring to know that you can verify the binaries, just a little extra peace of mind. Now let's transition into some practical examples. Say you have a Markdown file full of usage instructions, and you want to filter out sections related only to usage. You can simply use a command like this, cat example.md MDQ usage. And if you want to dive deeper, you can even chain together different filters to get more specific results. How cool is that? To wrap things up, MDQ makes working with Markdown much more efficient. Instead of draining your energy on regex that feels like solving a complex puzzle, you now have a tool that gives you the power to easily extract and manage information. It's about reclaiming your time and focusing on what really matters, getting your work done without the headaches. So, before we sign off, what's the takeaway here? Think about how you can integrate MDQ into your workflow. Whether you're managing a checklist or sorting documentation, it can significantly boost your productivity. Thanks for joining me today. If you're excited about trying out MDQ or have any questions, be sure to reach out. Until next time, happy Markdowning.